Hi guys, Fluffy, and welcome back to techbeatph.com, and today we're going to do our part 2 of our Vivo V20 series unboxing and first impression. We're going to do an unboxing and first impression of the Vivo V20 Pro. So do stick around the video and see what's inside the box and what our first impressions are. Let's remove the plastic and start unboxing the Vivo V20 Pro, similar to what we did with the V20. It has a slightly different layout now. The gel casing comes with the power cord, which is a USB-A to a USB-C. Gel casing and documentation still come together. After removing the first layer of packaging, you can easily access the phone. So let's put this aside for now and let's see what's still in the box. The phone also comes with a 33-watt fast charger, similar to what we had during the unboxing of the V20. The V20 Pro also comes with a standard wired headset. Now let's take a look at the phone. So we're taking a look at the Vivo V20 Pro. As you can see, it has a very nice, very big 6.44 AMOLED display, which is full HD+. The phone also comes with two front-facing selfie cameras, a 44-megapixel one and an 8-megapixel secondary camera. Now let's flip the phone over. As you can see at the back, it has a nice sunset melody color, which is like a prism that reflects the light. It also has three cameras similar to the V20. It has a 64, an 8-megapixel wide and a 2-megapixel mono camera. Here is the main difference between the Vivo V20 and the V20 Pro. The V20 has the dual SIM card slot below near the USB charging port, and it does not have a 3.5mm jack output. Now let's turn the phone on and see what's happening inside. Setting up the phone and starting it is exactly the same as what we did with the Vivo V20. The Vivo V20 Pro is powered by a more powerful Snapdragon 765G, but also has the same 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It also packs a 4000 mAh battery. The 6.44-inch AMOLED display really delivers very nice, crisp, sharp colors. It's exactly the same screen we had when we unboxed and did our first impression of the Vivo V20. Again, the camera has all the bells and whistles that we saw in the Vivo V20, but this one, the V20 Pro, has an additional 44 megapixel selfie camera, which I am very keen on trying. Slipping on the gel case is just as easy in the Vivo V20 Pro as it is with the Vivo V20. Holding the two phones together and comparing the weight of the two phones, it seems like the Vivo V20 Pro is slightly heavier than the Vivo V20, and you can see the difference in the notches on top. We had two cameras in the Vivo V20 Pro and only one camera in Vivo V20. But aside from that, they are aesthetically similar. There you have it, guys. Our first look and unboxing of the Vivo V20 Pro, the big brother of the previously unboxed Vivo V20. So we can't wait to take this around town again, put it through its paces, test the camera out and the various functions. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, click that like button if you like the video, and we would like to hear from you. Comment down below on what you want us to do as we take the Vivo V20 Pro around Metro Manila and put it through its paces.